One day a man walked past a camp of elephants. Looking closer, he was surprised to see that these mighty animals weren't held in cages or kept in chains. The only thing stopping them from escaping? A thin rope tied from one of their legs to a simple pole in the ground. Confused as to why they didn't use their strength to break the rope, he asked the trainer why they weren't attempting to run away. To this the trainer replied, "As baby elephants, we use the same system. But, at that age, the rope is strong enough to stop them from escaping. They grow up like this, believing they can never break the rope, so even as adults they stay put." In other words, these powerful, magnificent and intelligent elephants didn't believe they could free themselves, so they never tried. Moral of the story: our personal beliefs are powerful beyond measure, and often dictate our outcomes. They can work for or against us. Identify your limiting beliefs so you can push against them.